PXN Gaming Racing Wheel, V9 Xbox Steering Wheel, 279/100ths of a degree. Car simulation with pedal and shifter. Paddle shifters driving wheel for PS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, S, PC, Switch. Ever dreamed of burning rubber on the Nürburgring or drifting through Tokyo streets, all without leaving your living room? The PXN V9 Gaming Racing Wheel brings that fantasy to life. With its versatile 270°/900 degrees rotation, a full manual shifter, and compatibility across Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even Nintendo Switch, this wheel promises a pro-level racing simulation at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're taking corners in Forza Horizon or cruising through Euro Truck Simulator, the V9 delivers a tactile, immersive driving experience that leaves standard controllers in the dust. But is it all hype, or does it really deliver the thrill? Let's put the pedal to the metal and find out. Unboxing, experience, and first impressions. Packaging quality and protection. What's included in the box? Wheel, pedals, shifter, manuals, etc. Build quality, design, and materials. Initial impressions of the size, weight, and feel. Build quality and design aesthetics. Materials used: ABS matte finish, rubberized grips. Mounting hardware: suction cups plus C-clamps. Ergonomics: handle comfort, layout of buttons, paddle shifters. Aesthetics: black theme, LED lights, interface design, platform compatibility and setup. Supported platforms: PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, S, Switch. Installation steps for each platform. PXN wheel app usage and firmware update process. Troubleshooting connectivity issues. Driving experience and realism. Dual mode rotation. 270 degrees versus 900 degrees. When to use each. Force feedback and vibration motors. Quality and tuning. Comparison of manual versus paddle shifters. Brake/throttle/clutch sensitivity and adjustability. Differences between racing and truck sim gameplay. Game compatibility and real-world performance. Performance in top titles across all platforms. Forza Horizon 4/5, F1 2023-2024, Assetto Corsa, Need for Speed, WRC 8/9, The Crew 2, Mario Kart, SnowRunner, Euro Truck Sim, etc. How different modes, trucking, racing, change the experience. Input lag, dead zones, and force feedback calibration. Pedal set and manual shifter breakdown. Build quality and resistance of pedals. Linear response of throttle, brake, clutch. Manual gear shifter, 6-speed plus reverse. High/low gear modes and handbrake functionality. PXN wheel software and customization. App functionality overview. Remapping buttons and adjusting sensitivity. Profile creation for specific games. Suggestions for better tuning settings. Durability, maintenance, and support. How the product holds up over time. Common wear areas and user maintenance tips. Customer service review and warranty details. Comparison with other racing wheels. Compared with Logitech G920's G29, Thrustmaster T150 TMX, Hori Apex. Pros and cons relative to competitors. Value proposition, what you're getting for the price. Final verdict and recommendation, summary of the experience. Rating system breakdown. Build, performance, ease of use, value. Who should buy the PXN V9, and who might want to look elsewhere? FAQs and buyer tips. How to choose the right racing wheel. Best games to play with the V9. Ideal setup. Table height, chair, screen distance, etc. Tips for improving your sim racing experience.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.